Come have fun with us and don't forget to subscribe.
What's up everybody, I'm Rick.
And I'm Anna.
And welcome to our reaction to Demon Slayer.
The movie.
The movie. By the way, this movie is taking the world, or has taken the world by storm. That movie
I've heard so, yes.
is the highest grossing film in Japan of all time.
Of all time?
Yeah.
Ever?
Yeah. Passing
Wow.
Spirited Away, which held the record for, what, 19 years?
Wow.
So, yeah.
That's something. That says something.
So I'm really curious to see. I mean, we saw the anime, we saw the quality. So I'm curious to see, like,
I
when you
expect to be
wowed.
swiped off my feet.
Yeah. Okay. Let's see if you're gonna be swept off your feet as we watch this.
Oh, wow.
I think those are all graves of demon slayers who died.
Yeah, probably. So many of them.
So I thought he was just blind, but apparently he also has some health issues, other health issues.
Yeah.
So this is where we left off in the anime with this train.
Right, they just boarded the train. Lord of this land.
Yeah, it's this exact scene.
Yeah, it's the same scene as the end of the anime. You have to imagine that there was a time when trains were not fast enough that you could actually do this.
Run and catch.
Yeah.
I mean, you can still do that now, right? Because you do it as they're taking off. They're not at their...
Yeah, but I feel like it's taking off so much quicker now. Ah, that's so nice. He's helping people on the train. Of course he would. This looks pretty nice. The train in the night.
It's his movie budget.
Yeah, it is, you know, like the camera pans out and then you see the title.
Not hard to find, it's pretty loud.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
Damn, he eats a
Everybody's
lot.
staring at him. After every bite? Yeah, everybody understood. You like your food. Oh, it's starting already.
No, it's just the electricity, you know, these old trains. I won't say a word for now.
For
yeah.
now, I'll let it be.
He was
Let's
one of
see.
the ones who was against Nezuko. Well, I guess almost all of them were against.
There's such a nice detail. You see the lights of the train reflecting in the flooded rice pads. The rice fields.
Oh yeah, this whole thing about the flame breathing and fire breathing.
Oh yeah, he would know. If there's something. Why does he talk like that? It's so funny. He's weird.
Yeah, Rengoku, yeah. Just ask him already. He doesn't know
He
anything
doesn't know
about
anything. Oh, he does? Ah, yeah,
it. I
he
don't
does.
know, think with a big smile. Alright, end of discussion. Nothing else to
He's
say.
funny, he's so strange. Yeah,
What are you
why is he
looking at? Yeah, he's always looking
Also,
at
he has no facial expression other than his face.
There's always been a flame and water breathing amongst the Ashira. He doesn't even know his name.
Yeah.
Unfortunate,
You
yeah.
heard that before.
Those people with the black sword tend to die.
Yeah.
I like him. He's
It's
goofy.
it's
yeah.
quirky.
Yeah.
What's with this guy?
This is a ticket guy. He hits
Yeah,
his
but
job.
he's passing the other ones.
Yeah, no, there's probably something. Maybe he's the demon. They do have tickets. I thought they
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 had
didn't
tickets,
buy.
but they had a problem.
Getting on the train
Yeah.
because of the swords. Yeah.
There's something off about this guy.
Oh, look! It switched his expression. Look how serious he looks now,
Yeah.
Rengoku.
Oh my
He just
goodness.
appeared out of nowhere.
And he's so big too. How can he hide?
Look at that! He looks so
Wow.
cool.
It does, yeah.
Oh! Bam! Unknowing fire. One shot. That's it. The mission's over.
Yeah, what? So?
Oh, he blew up.
Wow.
There's still
There's
one
still
more.
one.
We remember there was the
Yeah,
other guy.
The
The lower.
lower. One of the lower 12.
Yeah. Who was given more blood.
Oh,
Oh,
wow.
there's another
No,
two.
there's another one. Oh my goodness. They're all ugly.
Oh.
He's like
Look
some
at
kind of
that.
oversized insect, huh?
So quick!
Wow! And he saved the guy. So cool.
It looks so weird, that demon.
Yeah. Show us something cool. Again.
Second form this time.
Wow!
There you go. So easily. Something more must be happening though. It
I
can't just
mean,
be.
of course. Because this is not the lower 12.
Please make me your
Oh, he changed
apprentice.
his mind. Oh, they all like him.
I like him too. Teach me too. I want to do those flame moves.
You think Tanjiro will end up learning something from each of the Hashira?
You think?
It's possible.
He said people with black swords don't know which type to master.
Yeah, that was interesting.
Maybe you master them all. He's already done fire and water.
True.
Oh, by punching the ticket they get to sleep? So he's planning this carefully, right? He didn't want to go on
Yeah.
a just all-on fight with Ashira. It's too risky.
He's smart.
Yeah.
I told you there's something off about
The conductor, yeah, he
Yeah.
looked very off.
he did. Is this his peaceful dream? This doesn't look peaceful.
That's when he was carrying Nezuko, right?
Was it? Was it winter? He can feel in his dreams that something is off. Oh, it's his sleep beings.
Oh, he's gonna dream about when they... Oh no, it's like a dream that shows you what you want, right? Because he told the conductor, go see your family in your dream, right?
Yeah. So he dreams that his family is still there. He got back home and they're there. Oh, now he looks like when he left and he has the basket too.
Yeah. So it's just they're going to join them in their dream and go kill them there?
Maybe, yeah, something like that.
If you die in the dream, you die in real life.
Where is Nezuko?
She's gonna be there. Oh, Nezuko, she's not sleeping. Well, she's sleeping. She wasn't put to sleep.
Oh, yeah. True. They didn't know she was there. Also, she doesn't have a ticket. And she's not there.
I mean, she would have her own dream. I don't think.
Yeah, I mean, she's not in his dream. Like, in his dream, he would have remembered Nezuko too.
He has Nezuko in his dreams.
Yeah.
This guy, come on.
Yeah, he's in love. Oh, wow.
Oh my God.
In his dream, he's very strong.
In real life, he's very strong. He
Yeah.
just doesn't realize it.
But in his dream, he's confident that he's strong.
What are you dreaming
Oh,
of,
I
Inosuke?
wonder. What's his happy dream? Is that Nezuko?
Yeah, it is. So that's weird that only Tenjiro doesn't have Nezuko. Oh, the two of them are there too. Ponjiro.
Ponjiro. Oh, the train. Is this his happy dream? Okay.
There is underling and they're fighting a train.
Yeah,
Yeah, he thought the train was a beast.
right. Oh,
What are you
let's see. Are we
dreaming
gonna
about?
see his happy dream? I bet this will show us a bit of his past.
That's his dad there.
His dad doesn't seem to care.
So what if you become an Ashira? Yeah, he doesn't
Yeah.
care. It means nothing? Wow.
Oh, wow.
They all look so similar. I guess
Yeah.
they're family, but yeah.
No, he won't. Don't bother.
He will acknowledge no one ever. Oh, he was Ashira too.
Oh,
That's a good brother right there.
yeah. Like, even if the father doesn't care about what they do, he will care about his younger brother, you know. Give him that someone to look up to. Oh, so you're right. They will invade their
Their
dreams.
dreams, yeah. To the edge of the dream.
Oh, so they're not just gonna fight them in the dream.
Yeah, I guess even inside the dream he would be stronger than her.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Good luck, little girl. Or she can just walk through it.
Oh, you can sense that something's wrong? Oh,
wow.
There it is.
He woke up.
As she's still sleeping, right? She's the
Yeah.
one in a precarious position now.
Right.
Is he also sleeping though?
Oh, I wonder.
Yeah, he
Oh,
is.
he is.
Survival instinct. Ah.
Just be like, he knows something is wrong instinctually and protected himself. I'm sure the fact that Nezuko isn't there will be important. Oh, he noticed. He remembers her being a demon, she can be out in the day. The box.
There she is in the box still. Oh no,
It's his
gone.
memory.
Yeah.
It's like his memory, you know, he knows something is off.
Oh,
No.
he's telling himself to wake up.
Yeah. He knows that something's wrong.
He's remembering you're on the train.
His scar looks different. Did you notice?
Oh, and he's brought right back to the house.
Oh,
There she is.
she's gonna save him? Is she gonna wake him up? She's so cute.
Assessing the situation. What's
Yeah.
happening?
Or is that what he does usually? That's her head.
Oh my god, it's not working still.
She's adorable though. And look how tiny she is. Oh!
Oh!
She got hurt. Oh, wow.
What
Okay.
was that?
I think she used the blood. It's part of her.
Yeah, power.
Oh, he's back.
But yeah, you're right. The scar is
See, it looks
not
different.
even slightly different. It's very different.
Yeah.
Like,
Is he gonna hug them?
wonder what does that mean though.
Yeah, it's not a mistake. Like, I think it's done on purpose. Oh, now I kind of want to look back and see when it changed.
After the skip, right? He was training for years, 2 years.
Probably, yeah.
The dream kept her for last, as a last resort.
Yeah, to keep him there. It's not her.
The dream's fighting.
I'm sorry, kids, you're all dead.
Right.
He knows. He's not even talking to them. He knows. Never would have laid hand on a sword. It's kind of powerful.
Alas, these things did happen. And they're all dead. Except Nezuko, who's a demon. All you can do is move forward. Don't leave us behind! Oh no! That dream's not messing around. If you have to destroy it, you
Yeah.
should get moving. You're just standing there.
Oh, wow. Is this
It's
what it looks
nice,
like?
Yeah.
It's so peaceful.
So he's already chasing her. He's already
Yeah.
noticed that she's there.
That's his way of protecting himself. Oh, wow.
No one's allowed here but Nezuko. Oh my god, what is
He's
this?
creepy.
Yeah. I guess these two didn't need help, huh? Him and
Yeah.
Inosuke.
Is that his father?
Yes,
It
it is. So interesting
Wow,
is that.
so cool.
Yeah. To wake up, cut yourself.
Oh,
His own head? Oh!
oh my gosh.
That's intense.
Yeah.
His own head? Oh!
Oh my gosh.
That's intense.
Yeah. He did it. He woke up.
Oh,
there's
look
a
at
girl
her.
there. She's so cute. She's so cute. It's killing me. He's still holding the girl. Oh, like all of this happened pretty much at the same time, probably.
Look at her. All small.
Oh,
She can control it pretty well now.
yeah. She knows what she's doing now. Oh, look. It's what he does.
That's what she wanted.
Yeah. Oh!
They brought him there willingly,
Yeah.
even though he's there to destroy it. Because they just want to help.
Yeah. Because that's what he does. He just wants to help everyone. It's amazing the power that Tanjiro has on people.
Yeah, but I mean, like, ask him some questions.
I don't think he knows anything.
Who are we dealing with? He has information. He talked with the demon.
Yeah, what can he say? It's a demon.
Yeah.
He's that way.
Any information, Tanjiro doesn't know if he knows nothing or not.
She is adorable. I want a toy like that.
Nezuko?
Yes, it's gonna be like this big. He's not having it. Don't toy with my feelings. Look at the veins. Oh my gosh, that's insane.
He's the one he was told to
Ah,
kill,
yeah.
yeah. The mouth
The
on
mouth
the
on
hand,
the hand
yeah.
is just, yeah, so creepy.
Go to sleep. So he's trying to send him to sleep again.
Oh, it won't work.
No one slept enough. That's dangerous.
Oh wow, he's so strong though, you know? Is that it?
His power?
No, will he kill him now?
Let's see, let's see.
Is this happening now?
It is working, but he's waking himself up.
Right away. Oh my gosh.
Killing himself over and
Oh
over again.
my
Oh!
goodness. That's insane.
And then he wakes up and he like figures out right away like and what situation he's in. You know, he's not losing track of the fight. Now he's showing him a nightmare.
Oh wow.
That doesn't seem like his dad.
Yeah. But it's not his dad. It's
Yeah,
what
yeah.
it's what he thinks of himself. I should have been there. I should have saved them. Wow, even that.
There's no way they'd ever say that. Not my family.
He knows better.
Yeah. And it just angers him more and more.
Yeah.
Ooh, will it work?
Already? Oh, that was so cool how the dragon came.
Yeah. Will it work? We've been fooled once
Yeah, that's true.
with Rui.
And this one is even more powerful than Rui was, with the extra blood that he
Yeah.
got.
Tanjiro gets stronger too. It
was
was
too
way too
easy.
easy. Yeah.
Oh wow.
Why is he not dying?
Yeah, I want to know, why are you not dead yet?
It looks like my head, but it's not. He's the train.
What?
I fused with. He's the
Oh my
train.
goodness! I guess, you know, Scare will have his dream. He has to fight the train.
So what do? You cut off the head of the train?
Yeah, the engine. Ah, wow. Oh, he needs to wake them up. This is insane, though.
That is a train.
Yeah, I mean, because how are you gonna do it? Oh, he's awake. The minions, he's still remembering the dream. Ah, so creepy.
The tentacles everywhere. So he was right, yeah, we
Yeah.
laughed at him, everybody laughed at him.
Yeah. But even then, this is only temporary. You can keep them from eating the people, but you still have to stop him.
Actually, you don't even need to wake up Zenitsu.
True.
That's
That
his
is- that is
desired
true.
form.
Yeah.
He just has to move somehow.
Like to realize that he's in danger. To let his instincts take over. Gross. That's gross.
That they're inside him.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, she got big?
Yeah, it's time to get serious. It's time to
Yeah.
fight.
Oh yeah, she's angry now. Oh, I like it when Nezuko gets serious about the fight. Oh no! She got caught.
And this is the moment Zenitsu comes to save.
Yeah. Come on, Zenitsu.
Ash can use also her fire.
No.
Oh, he's here.
Zenitsu. Wow! The music, it's so cool. He went from so far
So
away.
far into the train, yeah.
He's so fast.
So with the thunder breathing, he also has one of the 5 basic original.
Yeah.
And
Back to sleep.
are back to deeper sleep.
Right.
Right, he's never seen Zenitsu fight.
Zenitsu is not awake. You don't want Zenitsu to be awake. Oh, are we gonna see him do something really cool?
He woke up.
Yeah.
Let's go!
Wow.
Yeah, they're still ahead no matter
There's
what
a
form.
head somewhere.
Yeah.
You have to find it.
What a cool thing to say too. This train has 8 cars. I'll take care of 5.
But like that's intelligent, you know, because he's the strongest. He could just say, "Oh, I'm gonna go for the neck. You do whatever you can." But he knows that he can protect more people.
Yeah.
Like it's more important to keep the people safe.
Somehow he was awesome. He is awesome.
He is, yeah. Oh, I didn't think the
Conductor was still
conductor
there.
was still there. Yeah.
Ooh, he's going after
wow.
Inosuke. Tanjiro's right there. Gross.
Yeah,
Yeah.
gross. It is gross. Ah, come on, Tanjiro, you have to save him. Again, he's gonna be mad. He needs to be saved again.
That's true. That's true. But they always work so well together, you know.
That's true.
I say always. They've done it once, twice. It's like, yeah, if you want to be the leader, fine. I don't care.
Yeah. Oh, he's the one cutting the neck bone.
It's not gonna be easy.
Yeah, it's gonna be very hard to cut.
And he keeps defending himself.
Yeah.
Oh! And I was gonna put him to sleep.
He's back.
Yeah, so quickly. No
Did
hesitation.
Did Inosuke do it too? Wow, he like
keeps
just makes
falling
one
asleep,
step,
yeah.
one more step, and he falls asleep again.
Wake up with my
yeah,
eyes closed. That's
that's
a hard
difficult.
thing. Yeah. There are eyes everywhere.
Wow.
Oh, no, he's not in a dream. You're already awake.
Wow.
It doesn't
He's
work because of
wearing
the
your
mask.
mask.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's this guy doing? Seriously?
Get in the way of my dream. He's also been. Oh, it's just a little.
Yeah, but
We've seen worst.
wow, this is getting so like close, you know? Like there is such a tight spot.
Let's go, guys!
This is like such awesome battle effects.
Oh, he's slashing the
he's
eyes!
slashing the eyes.
Protecting himself, so yeah, slice.
Slice
Now we
and
see the
dice.
bone. And now slice the bone. The
Oh,
fire!
the fire! The fire is coming! So awesome! Wow!
Oh, he got
He
it!
did it! He did it!
Oh! He's trying to eat the people.
Yeah. Now it's starting to
To hurt, yeah.
hurt.
If I die, that will make him a murderer. That's
Is
what
that,
he's thinking
is that
about.
your problem right now?
I guess the train's not so infinite anymore, is it?
Also, being in a train accident like this is pretty dangerous.
Yeah, most of these people would be dead.
Yeah, but there's the like soft flesh. So maybe that Santaro.
I guess he did get stabbed in a very bad
Yeah.
place. So.
It's okay.
It's okay
he
if that
dies.
bastard dies.
Yeah,
No.
of course it's not okay. Has he though?
Atone for his sin.
Yeah.
That's how Tanjiro is, you know.
Oh, Tanjiro is too good. He's
Yeah.
too good to be real.
They're good for his own good.
Yeah.
It's not over, it's not over. I knew it.
Oh! No, he's dying.
He didn't get to get the blood, huh?
Yeah.
Because it stopped him from
From eating all the
the people.
people. He never broke the spell, but he was still strong.
Everybody helped!
Yes. So this is like to tell us how everybody's part was
Awesome.
so important.
Yeah. It couldn't have been done without everyone being there.
Yeah.
It's a nightmare for you, my friend. No flashback, huh?
Yeah. Wait, did he get the blood?
I don't think so. He was trying to stay alive there, breathing.
Is there still some body left?
Yeah, all
There
over
are
the train.
pieces. 10,000 steps before you can become Hashira.
Stop the bleeding yourself.
Can you do that yourself? Like just by focusing, concentrating?
Just by breathing
Wow.
correctly, huh?
Wow!
He's a good
That's
teacher.
too much. Yeah. You did good, Tanjiro.
And he defeated one of the 12. That was
Yeah.
what was required of him.
Right.
Or did he?
What's that? What's going on?
Oh, I think that's one of the upper when we saw the silhouette. I think
Oh, yes. I did not expect that to happen now. I thought this would be it.
upper tree.
What's that? What's going on?
Oh, I think that's one of the upper when we saw the silhouette. I think
Oh, yes. I did not expect that to happen now. I thought this would be it.
upper tree.
But it's a smart attack, you know?
Right away after they've
Yeah.
already fought. Oh, he's after Tanjiro!
Oh!
Kibutsuji sent him!
So fast. He's not wasting time talking much.
Oh, so he doesn't get away. Get rid of the
Yeah.
extras. I already dislike you. Become a demon. I wonder if there's one.
Come to the dark side, we have cookies.
I wonder if there's an Ashira who became a demon.
Oh. One of those upper
Yeah.
level ones. Oh, look how he's holding Nezuko. That's so cute.
Let's go, Rengoku. He was so quirky, but when he gets serious, he's serious.
Yeah. Oh, that's a... It's a flake, a snowflake. That's pretty cool.
Oh, so fast.
I like the sound, the music that comes with different attacks. It's so good.
I can't follow either.
You can't even follow the fight. He's been offering different people to become
Demons. Probably strong people.
Yeah. Do you think maybe he was a Hashira? Or a Demon Slayer?
Maybe.
But what he was after was strength.
To
Eternal
get stronger,
strength.
yeah. Oh, it's always so nice when you do it. I have to get up close.
He's too calm there though.
Pop, 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 pop.
This is good. This is good.
I think it's really interesting how he says he's feeling bad about it, right? Like, to see someone as strong as you waste your potential, become old, become weak. It's an interesting way to see things.
Yeah, I guess.
Google eyes.
Google eyes.
The regeneration does a lot for demons, right? Because he got his limbs cut so
Yeah.
much. I guess you don't need to avoid getting them cut.
Right.
If you know it's just gonna grow back. Blazing universe. This is hard. They weren't messing around when they said that the upper ones were on another level.
Yeah, I mean, look at this fight.
Yeah, they can't do anything.
Right. They wouldn't even know what to do. Whoa.
Ooh, we got him.
And you can use your arms as a, like, kind of like a shield. Here, cut an arm. It doesn't matter. It will grow back in a second. Oh my goodness!
It's
Those
getting
are
hit more and more,
a few ribs broken.
Oh, right in the face here.
And that was so fast. He started with one
Form
form
and then
and
switch
then
to
switched
something
to
else.
another right away.
Flame Tiger, that's cool.
But will it do anything? Will it work? He was gonna hit him again and he blocked. Yeah, of course not. He's
Oh,
bleeding.
he's been hit.
He's been hit? Wow. He's bleeding so much. What happened? Is she gonna die?
They're just shocked that he's losing her. Damaged internal organ, shattered ribs. The human can never beat a demon?
Yeah, we've seen a few. Tanjiro can't even move. Oh!
So that... Oh!
Breathing.
Let's go. Let me show you what it means when they say Ashira.
Oh, you're so awesome!
Oh, we can feel the spirit. Oh,
The
let's
fighting
go!
spirit.
The aura!
This is so like, woo!
You have to become a demon after all. Go beyond your limit.
Wow.
Ooh. Let's go! Oh yeah!
Oh! What's gonna happen?
No! Did he get him? Oh, and then he goes back up.
Whoa! Oh my
Look at
gosh, that's
this!
insane!
A flame tornado! Ashira, we told you!
Did he do it? Did he do it?
Oh!
He's dead. He's also dead.
Oh no, he couldn't
It
kill him.
wasn't enough.
Oh. It's the whole arm inside him.
He's gonna die. He's gonna die.
You must never use that God-given strength to hurt other people. What a lesson, huh?
Yeah.
That's why he was so adamant that he would never become a demon and that he would always help weaker people. Oh, such a nice mom. Oh!
He goes for it.
After remembering the words of his mom. It was an honor for me to have been born to such a person as you.
I hope he can do it. I mean, he's gonna die anyway.
Oh no! Oh yes, he stopped it! The sun is coming!
Sun! He can get
He's stopping him from pulling his arm out. So even if he
gonna
can't
be-
cut,
yeah.
it's fine to just let the sun do the job.
Just a few more seconds.
Tanjiro!
Oh, Tanjiro will help too.
Oh, is it gonna be a mistake for Tanjiro to try to help?
I wonder. You think maybe he'll just push his sword in?
Or like the demon will try to attack Tanjiro and Rengoku
He has
to
no
protect
free
him.
arms though.
Yeah.
He's so scared now, the demon.
Oh, he's gotta give
a
him more!
little bit more.
Yeah, they couldn't just stay there and do nothing.
Yeah, they had to be part of it.
Oh!
He ripped off his own arms and...
Oh no!
Too late?
Oh no, 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 he couldn't cut! The sun is trying to get away.
Too late? No!
Oh
He got away.
no!
What's he gonna do? What's he gonna do? Ara.
Oh. So all they need to do is slow him down, right?
Yeah. Just like keep him. Well, I mean, he's still in the forest.
Coward. Oh, that got him.
Yeah.
Coward, yeah.
But he took the sword.
Yeah. Your sword? You just got a new sword back. You're the one who lost.
I mean, in the end, he had to run away.
And that's interesting too. We always find it in the dark where you have the advantage. And...
Yeah.
Oh. So they couldn't even get him in the end, huh?
Wow. And he tried so hard.
I was sure after the mom's flashback, like this is it, you know. Oh, Rengoku. The bird.
He's gonna see and report.
Yeah.
Oh.
In the end, he gives a bit of information.
I mean, you put an arm through him, so...
Yeah, you can't close that. Oh, his brother!
You think his brother is also a demon slayer? And his father is still there? I thought maybe he's gone or something, dead.
Didn't seem like he was sick or anything, right?
Oh!
He accepted it, his sister. I saw her protect the humans inside the train. Oh, Rengoku! Any other Ashura would have done the same, I wonder.
I think they would have. I think at least they have this in common. You know, they put their lives on the line.
Oh, just putting her in the box quickly.
Yeah.
Become the next Ashura supporting the Demon Slayer Corps. He said there was always a fire and a water one. Is it time for Tanjiro to... Or is it too soon?
Too soon, I think.
He killed one of the 12.
True.
His mom.
She looks so serious.
Oh. Die with a smile.
Like a D.
Yeah. Also died with a hole in his stomach like a D. Yeah, why did the upper rank come all of a sudden? Was he following the train, checking on what's happening?
I wonder.
As soon as I master one thing, there's another thick wall in front of me. Yeah.
That's how it feels, huh?
Can I ever become like Rengoku? He was great. He was such a nice character.
Yeah, he was.
We didn't see much of him in the season, but in this movie alone. There you go, Inosuke, the voice of reason.
He has a very interesting...
Don't cry if you have regrets. He's crying though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He has a very interesting view on life and death, huh?
And because he was in the forest, it's just animals, right?
Yeah. He has this very basic instinct.
Something died, you just leave it there.
Right.
But in the sense of like he told you to persevere, right? Don't doubt yourself at this
Right.
moment. Come over here, we're gonna train. Oh,
They only got to spend so little time with him.
and us too.
Yeah. Look, that's where they fought. You can see the cracks in the ground. Oh!
Even the crow's crying.
Bird is crying too. Yeah, I think it was his bird.
Oh, maybe. Telling them the news. Even Rengoku couldn't beat an upper rank.
You think he could have taken him if he wasn't, like, fresh out of another fight?
Oh, these guys are together, huh?
You also have those, like, always big open eyes.
I guess he does care, right? Because he's angry. Because he was one of the ones I thought, like, when he said any Ashira would protect other people, I thought, like, this guy didn't seem... Not one of the passengers lost their lives. So who replaces you when you die?
Yeah, it's a good question. You would think naturally would be one of the Ashira.
One of these weird twins that follow him around. Ooh.
I didn't think it would take that much.
To defeat an upper...
I mean, he didn't
He didn't
he didn't
defeat
even
it. Yeah, right.
kill him.
That's true. Oh, it was so close. I was sure he had it after the flashback with the mom.
And how many are there? Like 6?
Wow, that was up a tree.
Yeah,
That's gonna be hard. That's gonna be difficult. I don't know how they can do it. I guess
it is.
it's not something you can do alone, probably.
And it's not something that, like, if he takes you by surprise, you probably stand no chance. Like,
Yeah,
a well-planned, coordinated attack would work against one of them, but like this, like, he just shows up.
yeah.
It's interesting also what Tanjiro said there, that like what was it? We always fight you in the dark, where you have the advantage.
Yeah.
That's interesting.
So you're a coward for running away as soon as you don't have that advantage anymore.
I
But
mean,
it's not just a
it's
question
not
of
an
advantage, right?
advantage. He
They'll
would-
die
Right.
in the sun. But yeah, that is interesting. That's one that Tenjiro has to defeat, right? Get his revenge.
Yeah.
He lost his
He
sword
lost
again.
his sword again. Right. Oh, the guy will be so angry now.
He was already very angry. Yeah.
First you break it, then you lose it.
Rengoku, huh? What a character. Just for the length of that movie, we saw him in like the last, what was it, 3 or 4 episodes of the
Yeah.
season 1. And he was kind of goofy. He was against Nezuko, like with the rest of them. But here we got to see like a lot more about him.
I think it's interesting that if they had made this into episodes, we would have seen it would have felt like it's longer, that he was there for longer, you know. But because it was just a movie, it's like he came and he
went.
yeah.
Even though it might have been the same amount of time.
Yeah,
like,
exactly.
screen time that we would have with him. Yeah. Huh. Too bad. What can they do against these upper centuries? They said that they hadn't been defeated, so
That's true.
I guess we should have expected that it wouldn't be that easy. But I thought that at the very least, like they would kill
the
each
end,
other, right?
I thought at the end when Tanjiro and the Inosuke went and like tried to help, I thought that will do something, you know, like
Just slow him down
enough to keep him there, to let the sun kill him. It wouldn't have been as impressive though, right? To have one of the upper 12 be killed by the sunlight.
Yeah,
I mean,
but
it had to be.
that's how it is.
Yeah, it's so it's so powerful, you know, like it makes you feel that there's so much at stake, you know, that the one of the Ashira, a very strong one, almost there, like almost had him, and with the help of the other two, and still it wasn't enough.
It wasn't. Well, I'm really curious to see what happens from now on. Like Tanjiro said, every time he looks like he's getting stronger, there's this new wall and this new gap.
Yeah.
Like, okay, this is just on a whole nother level.
And that's it, right? The gaps, like the difference between, okay, I'm at the beginning and then I try, and I get so strong, but then when you look ahead, it's like the people who are ahead of you, they're so far ahead of you, you know?
And then even these people have trouble with these Ashira, with these
With these
upper
demons.
12.
Yeah.
And then imagine Kibutsuji.
Right. Like no one probably ever got close to.
Yeah, even
Maybe
a fight.
Tanjiro's dad was close. Maybe that's why he's so trying so hard to get Tanjiro. The guy with the earrings.
Because he recognized the earrings, so
Yeah.
he must have met the dad at some point. That's true.
Yeah,
That's true.
so maybe Tanjiro's dad got close, too close.
Yeah.
That would be interesting. Oh, I can't wait to see the rest.
We got some information though about the dad, you know, like even though he knew nothing of the dance and the fire breathing, it's like, oh, but my dad might be able to help you out with that. So I'm guessing we're gonna see that in season 2. So,
Yes.
you know, highest grossing film in Japan, also one of the biggest grossing movie
That's
when
it.
it was released abroad too.
That's very interesting, you know, because it's not a standalone film.
Yeah, that's true.
You have to have watched
The show
before.
Or read the manga.
Yeah. And it also means that, you know, you have to have an interest to see
The following parts.
Yeah, exactly. So I think it's very interesting that
It just shows the popularity of
Yeah, that's
this IP, right? Of the anime and the manga.
yeah.
That so many people went to see it.
I'm
And
kind of curious to read the manga now.
Yeah.
Even though, I mean, I want to see if it's the same at least, you know?
I think it's pretty much the same. It was a great movie. I really enjoyed it.
Yeah, me too.
I understand why so many people went to see it, and so many people also recommended that we watch it. Of course, we were gonna watch it because we loved season 1 and we're preparing for season 2. And by the way, if you want to see those season 2 videos, you have to
Subscribe to this channel. The button is right below.
if you're not subscribed already. Like this video if you did. Comment in the comment section below, and
Have a nice day.